Good evening. 20 February 24. We are bad luck. I come in this country. We by the jungle over there. They are black people live over there. United States government said they are very dangerous people, dangerous family. They make the fraudulent deed ms4.com with Sasikant. Day by day attack here. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Asthan, Baba Deep Singh, Baba Noor Singh. I need your help. Where is the truth? I request him on country United States. All they have mortgage company. They need murder people, government officer, not public. Public is a rich man. FBI here, judge here, sheriff, police and local police using, then you start the mortgage company. Like ms4.com, Indian Sikh PM Manmohan Singh, his daughter. She said nobody warned. Manmohan Singh, his case, they have lot of money spent in United States. Narendra Modi, Sant Singh Jadwal, drugger guy, is a mental sick. They give to him the Padma Bhushan award after they release him. Bankruptcy man. In politics, they are partnership. Using any court judge, use my video where I am the murder or crime. Please resolve my case. This is day by day. Bad more time coming. There is Bin Laden property in Florida. $1 trillion he buy the property. United States government, they give to him the citizenship. Then they buy the property. How many they have attorney, they put on his name, property over there in Florida, his brother too. He buy the Florida property. Politics, yeah, government officer, they are hungry for his property. They make the plan 9/11 after. Government never deeply dig nothing. After he run away, too much botheration with him. After he go to the other country. He is the American citizen. He has property over there in Florida. I am thinking how many people need his property. They have poopy bathroom coming in underwear in the United States. They judge, yeah, who is a person, they have attorney, they talk to him. Bin Laden is a crazy man, yeah, religious man. I every day deeply dig. United States government said Julie Assad in UK they catch him. His government secret leakage. And one is a young boy Edward over there. They have secret leakage. When they have secret leakage, they never charge in United States Hillary Prime President. They never charge him nothing. They charge here Pinglia brother threaten. They make the excuse Middlesex County, yeah, township. They make the plan, he need property. Somerville Court, has any proof, they release him, they make the plan, hungry for property, just a little piece. Hindu people, they make the deed after they are Sikh people heading this property. I request him, world country, watch him. Where is my murder or crime? India government in United States, how many politics government they have involved this property, they help crime in this country. I request him, how many people they involve, Prime Minister, President, who put it on the letter in Somerville court with him. Cut his piece, take in India, give to him the Manmohan Singh. 100 foot deep, the cut this piece, property take India, Manmohan Singh. His daughter, she is mental. And 10 Cedar Grove land, cut his property, take India. Manmohan Singh has a lot of property. You people nonsense, damage the United States. You have never sense, country on respect. Take his property, go India. He has a hospital, other business. You cleaning the toilet over there. You people never sense. That's why suitcase take it, everything take it. After I day by day make the movie. President Joe Biden has a Barack Obama, he knows how much he has problem. Drug, tax. President Trump has a every time they making excuse with him. United States government mental. This property with him, they fell down. Government officer, FBI department, he has never since we damage the United States. Just need corruption money, go in India. Government, they give him double citizenship India. After crime grow up in this country, how many people they have involved? Nonsense people. Thomas has a olive oil. They have problem that country, Italia. He need money. Judge John Robert, he has how much corruption money? Robert S. Mueller, FBI director, Atwadi, he has how much corruption money? He making same report. They have secret leakage other country. Julius Assad and Edward over there. In United States, they have never trouble, nothing. Thank you, bye. I have a lot of history in United States. I every day deeply dig, greedy for money, greedy for sex, greedy for property. You have habits, stolen man. People, when they have rich, after they change the habits. In your people, in United States, I don't know how can be they are coming in the bad blood in the United States. Terrorism people in United States. Anywhere, any court judge use my video. Where is the Pablo Escobar? You give to him a job in United Nations. Chapo they give him United Nations job. After talk to him, their people front of die. You have never education. That's why United States every day drug catch. After nobody give to the death penalty. Please resolve my case. This is day by day. More bad time coming. TV channel, they never any time coming here this road. Where is the problem in the United States? Nonsense people, sex scandal TV channel. Thank you, bye. They have very cold. I give to him the other news next time. You are greedy, hungry for money. You have never sense. That's why property close very easy. 10 Cedar Grove land, they take the property India. 100 foot deep. They take only one piece like Hanuman ji take over there. In Sri Lanka country they break down. Now in farmer over there, India has a problem. Narendra Modi sitting any school plan after Syria president. They have nuclear start, they have lot of technology. After farmer with him start the nuclear bomb. Like a General Dyer Attabadi, India go over there, they lot of people kill him. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Everything electronic system. 1, 2, 3. I give to the news. Anywhere, any place using local police over there, where I am the murder crime. You people said they are dangerous people. You people in coming in the dangerous blood in this country, double citizenship. They are living like a homeless. Thank you, sorry. Very cold now, fucking big problem. This is United States flag. I spear God. I never bad work. United States Hungary government, they put it on the fake case. Thank you.